I got from the Apple Store, and I got something for my MacBook, an iPad, whatever I want to say. The Magic Keyboard. So I didn't get the with Touch ID because I don't need it. Because I have my own Apple Watch that can basically do my job for me. Just like double clicking it or by unlocking it is automatic. So hang on, sorry, let me fix the portrait mode because okay. So let's unbox it now. Did this side? Yeah. No smell. Yeah, this is smell. What the heck? Let's box it. Got your keyboard like usual. This side. Got your unbraided USB-C to Lightning. I wish it was Type-C. And then your documentation. There's no Apple stickers, there's warranty, the FCC, and the instructions. The smell. There's no smell. Are you okay? I might have COVID, so wait, I haven't had COVID. Yeah, I lost my sense of smell. Since I got COVID, I cannot smell anything at all. Okay, let's unwrap the cable. It's so much better than the regular type of cables that you get on your devices, like this thing. I mean, come on, I mean, it came with my $1,000 phone for this? What the heck? I mean, Apple can afford this. This is the keyboard. Let's unwrap the plastic now. Oh my god, it's so nice. So you can pair it by plugging it in or using the button. So I'm gonna turn off this video to do it, right? Alright, to pair it is by turning this on. Then go into Bluetooth settings. I need to hide this because of my personal information. So open up Bluetooth, like usual, and Magic Keyboard. Connected. So let's open up Microsoft Word, for instance, here. And let's open up a blank document. Okay, it's very good. So this starts at $1,000. I mean, oh my god, sorry. I mean at $100. I'm thinking about the iPhone, and I'm used to saying it. So it costs you $100. With Touch ID, it costs you $50 more, so $150. And then if you want the numeric pad would cost you $179. For the black one, it costs $199. I don't need this, so I need the numeric pad. I need something very compact because my displays. But yeah, I'm using a laptop as a monitor because I'm broke. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you the design. It's pretty good. The Apple logo on the back, my serial number. I think model number and things. Johnson it is normal, just plug it in. Oh yeah, just forgot a paper wrapping. Oh yeah, it's still my birthday, by the way. Paper. I don't know why they decided using plastic, even when this came out in 2021. Okay, the Mac somehow came with this. So yeah, I don't know why, but this is paper somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here now. I need to go to my birthday party. So I hope you take care, stay safe, and have a good day.